So chances are you've started a business, right? You have a great product or service. I'm sure there's been several people who have purchased that product or service from you. And you may be asking, oh my gosh, how can we get more leads or more customers? Like, what's the best way to get our message out to the masses? Should we do paid ads? Should we do SEO? Should we do email? Should we do events? There's all these ways of marketing, right? So in this video, I want to share with you why I believe that paid ads are one of the best ways of getting your message out to the masses. And there's 3 reasons why. The first reason why paid ads are so powerful is you get immediate results. You get to learn very quickly. When I first started in marketing, we would do the organic route, right? We'd create content, we'd upload it to YouTube or the blog post, and maybe it'd get views, maybe it wouldn't. If it did pick up, it wouldn't pick up for like 3 months, right? Just because you publish a blog post or publish a YouTube video doesn't mean it's going to be seen right away. It's a really long-term play. It wasn't until we started playing with YouTube ads that we got immediate feedback, right? So we could create a video, we uploaded to YouTube, we ran it as an ad with paid ads, paid YouTube ads, and we could immediately see, like within 24 hours, how long do people watch the video? Do they click? Do they purchase? Do they opt in? What's the return on ad spend? Like, we had that in a dashboard immediately. Like, there was no like, maybe this is working, maybe this wasn't. Like, there's that clarity of, yes, this is working. Sometimes you create a video and you upload it, you don't know if it's going to resonate with the audience. When you run paid ads, you create that message, then you get that immediate feedback. Maybe your hook's not grabbing people's attention. Maybe your offer, people aren't that interested in your offer, or like you have this dashboard, like you have this data that you know immediately if it's working or not. And you don't get that when you go organically. Organic's a longer term play. With paid ads, you know very quickly whether it's working or not. So that's a huge benefit. Number 2, why I believe paid ads is one of the best ways to market your company is you can get consistent results. Like, right, you turn the ads on and you're getting a constant flow of traffic to your website. You're probably getting a constant flow of leads to your business. And if you're doing a great job, you're getting a constant flow of customers or clients who are finding out about you. Not only are you getting this constant flow of traffic and leads, but you can adjust it. There's a throttle, right? If it's not working, you can throttle down your ad spend. And if it is working, you can ramp up. We had this client reach out to us where she had this sales team, she had this product in place, she had this webinar training, and her goals like get booked calls for her sales team so that they could enroll them into her high-end program. She's like, look, we've tried the paid ads thing. It's not working. Can you help us out? We helped her create the video. We ran it to the webinar, and we saw like it was one of those few campaigns that crushed it from the beginning. Not only were we getting webinar registrations, but people were booking calls with the sales team, and those people showed up at the phone calls were converting. They were buying the product. And it wasn't until like a couple weeks later we ran the ads. She's like, hey, I'm so grateful for you guys. We have a constant flow of leads, but guess what? My sales team is overwhelmed. Can you like throttle the ad spend down a bit? Like, you guys are crushing it, but like we need to balance it out. There's too much coming in. So it was nice because we could have the budget to increase the sales calls. And then when that overwhelmed the deliverability and the sales of her product, we could also ramp it back down again by lowering the spend. It's obviously a good problem to have. But that's the value of paid ads, is you can have these guaranteed results that you can then throttle, you can increase or decrease as you wish. The third reason why I believe paid ads is so powerful is because you can scale it. You can grow. Whatever you have going, it can scale with paid ads. It's basically like putting gas on a flame, right? When you pour gas on a flame, it's gonna get bigger. When you have a great product and you throw some great ads on top of that product, you can generate more leads, you can generate more sales. This was the case with, we had a client. He's like, look, we've got this great service and product. He said, if you can get us leads below $50, I'll spend as much money as we can. So obviously we wanted to play it smart, right? We don't want to just waste ad spend or waste money figuring out what works. So we started small. We started like a $10,000 a month ad budget. We tested multiple audiences. We tested multiple videos. And once we found, like, I think our first month we launched paid ads, our cost per lead wasn't $50. It was actually $100. So it wasn't working well that first month. But guess what? Within all those ads and audiences we created, we found a specific video that had a really high click-through rate. And we found an audience that had a high conversion rate. So we matched those two up. And within those elements, the right video with the right audience, we were getting a cost per lead of like $40, $45. So when we found that audience month 2, we spent that same budget to those audiences and crushed it. We got like that $45 cost per buyer, and the guy was excited. It took us 2 months to get there, but he finally said, "Hey, great, you spent 10, let's go to 25." We spent 25K. We're still able to get a $45 cost per lead after month number 3. He's like, "Great, let's go to 50K." And we kind of gradually went up. We did it smart. We did it month by month. And at the peak of that client, we were spending hundreds of thousands of dollars a month on YouTube ads because he was able to scale his offer, and we were able to scale the ads with that offer. So again, once you have the combination of the right video in front of the right audience with the right offer, you can scale that up with paid ads that you really can't do organically. You got like paid ads it's just so easy. So just to recap, these are the 3 reasons why I believe paid ads are so powerful. 1, you learn quicker. You get immediate results. Like you can either pay in time or money. Number 2, you can get consistent results. There's a steady flow of traffic, leads, and customers. And reason number 3, if you've got a great offer, you can scale it and you can grow your company really quickly with paid ads. I hope this video is valuable. I hope if you're considering using paid ads that you try it and see how it works for you. I think if you have a great product, I think you'll really enjoy it. If you haven't already subscribed to our YouTube channel, click that subscribe button so you can watch more great videos from Video Power Marketing. And I hope you have a great day.